What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. And I know I promised one video every week and that hasn't been happening, but don't worry, I got a few in the vault and I got a few that I'm working on, so more will be posted soon. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn these regular iconic VANS to these custom BAPESTAS VANS. And I just do want to point out, I am not the first one to do this. The first one I've actually seen do this style was Brahma Customs on YouTube and Instagram. You can check out his video at, I think it's Brahma Customs on YouTube. But yeah, that's gonna be my version of it, and let's just get right into it. But before we get started into the video, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in, and anybody who's new to the channel, consider hitting that like button and that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so I just laced up the last pair, and here's what they look like. I'm about to go put these on right now and then try them on and see how they look on feet. Alright guys, and that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you for dropping by, and if you stayed throughout the entire video, consider subscribing and dropping a like. It'll notify you whenever I post next. And yeah, peace.